Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I just wanted to share with you a Dollarama haul that I did recently. I had to go to two different stores to find what I was looking for, but here's what I purchased. I bought this storage bin. I actually bought two, and I've been trying to build my stash of ephemera pieces, and that where I'm recently new to paper crafts. So I purchased this. I currently have it in a container, but I thought this might be a little bit better because it's a little smaller for what I have. And they were $4 each. The Dollarama here is not a dollar. It's not. I don't think we have anything in the store that's a dollar. It's either $1.25 or more, unless you're getting chocolate bars or something. And then I bought these flower lace stickers. They're really pretty pale pink. I really like those. Got these two rhinestone sticker and they're butterfly. Then I have some more pom-poms. I have this one, but I didn't have this brighter color, brighter shade, so I picked that up as well. Bought more of these bags. I love these self-sealing bags. I tend to use these for everything. And $1.25, you get 24 in there, and it's perfect size for what you want. So I really like those. I had to get some corn skewers. We couldn't find them the other day, and we were trying to use a fork and our fingers, and it just wasn't working. So I picked up a couple for hubby and I. I haven't seen this before at Dollarama, and this is the metallic twine, and the shades of colors are really pretty. Now, it doesn't look like you get a lot on there, but it does look like you can, you get really pretty color mixtures. And so you get the black and silver, the ivory with it looks like rose gold, but gold, black and gold. So you have the white and silver, like the white and gold, and the pinkish color with the gold as well. So that's really pretty colors. So I had to get a few of those for a project that I'm working on. I bought these ribbon pieces. I'm also working on another project for embellishment, building my stash, and I got these colors. So I got the yellow, the two shades of pink. I am missing another pink one. There is another pink one here somewhere. I think nope, that's not it. Anyway, there's another shade of pink. And then I have that. Then I bought, I haven't seen them before, but they could have been there for a while. And these are super cute. I thought they'd be really good charms, like on a piece that you're, like a notebook or something that you're creating. It'd be a great little embellishment piece to hang off it, or even if you're doing like a chunky charm. And it's just a metal heart, and it's heart shaped, and then it just has like a gem on the inside. It's like a diamond shaped gem, obviously not a diamond, but that's on the inside. And then I got one that is like a teardrop. I hadn't seen those before, so I thought that was perfect. I bought one of these pens. I bought Tammy's Creative Cards and Crafts with her challenge for her 50th birthday, but I really like the pink, so I thought I'd add that to my little collection I have there on my desk. I had to pick up a couple of these for somebody, so I got two. They didn't have any more. Oops, they didn't have any more white, so I picked up the blue. That's all the colors that they had left. I also picked up these sequin mix, and they're in the little mini bottles. I thought those were super cute, and they have the different sizes and the different. They have hearts and stars, and some of the stars and hearts have holes in them, and then they're solid, and then there's just different pieces. And there's like glitter and little seed beads. And it's a variety of colors, so I thought that would be good to add to my collection. I do have some sequins, but mine are more from the dollar store because I don't really use them a lot. So and I really don't know how to pick sequin, so that's something that I need to do some research on before I invest. I had to pick up some glitter foam sheets. So those are, actually get quite, you get 8 pieces in there, and they have pretty cute colors inside. I had to find some glitter thread, and the first store I went to, they didn't have any, so I said, well, I figured I'd pick up some metallic string. But then when I went to the other Dollarama, I did find, and it was the only one left. It seems that these are they're selling right off the shelf. The first store, or Dollarama I went to, they had none left. It had 3 rows of it, and then they were just completely empty. So they must be pretty hot at the Dollarama. Then I needed some more rhinestones. Those are really cute. They're good to add to things. I had some paper straws to work on some embellishments, but I didn't have this type like color. The ones I had were Easter, and obviously Easter is over. So I picked up a few colors that I can, try and make some things with. And they're just the paper straws. I didn't think I was going to find gold, but I'm glad I did. Then I picked up these mini wedding bubble tubes. And I seen someone on a video recently, they received their sequins in the bubble tube. So I figured $1.50 and you get 10. And I like that they have the heart on it. So I figured I could just cut off the tip here, and then it would just be the lid part. So just get rid of the bubble blower piece. And then after, use the bubbles, but my niece would love to have the bubbles, so I can put those in a different container for her. But I thought, for $1.50, I think that might be great to add as embellishment when you're sending out packages or Happy Mail. Oh, and then I did get another one of those heart ones of embellishments. And the last few pieces that I got was this gum. This is really good gum. If you haven't tried it, I really, really like this gum. And of course, I've shared with you before that I like the mementos just as a little snacky snack here in the craft room. But that's all I received, other than I'm missing one of my pink ribbons. I know it's here because I've already seen it. So other than that, that's what I got. It was a pretty good Dollarama haul. Hope you guys are taking care and staying safe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.